I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm here. It's so weird doing videos again, or even coming on here. It took a lot of time to get to this point right now. And from here down, I'm covered in vomit, just so you guys know. This is life right now. And I just wanted to come give you an update. But before I give you an update about what's going on in my life, I want to give a quick shout out to my sponsor for today, Dossier Perfumes, who has been so patient with me. Because I got this sponsorship and these perfumes way before I went into labor. I think about a good month before I went into labor. And it was just getting really hard on me towards the end. So I asked them, if I can just do this after baby comes and after I heal and all of that stuff. And they've been super patient with me. So thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate that. But yeah, I've already spoken about Dossier before on this channel. And this time I got the opportunity to get perfume for me and Picasso. He's not here today. I wish he was, but he's not. But yeah, I'm going to try them out for you guys and let you know how they smell. If you guys are interested in Dossier perfumes, which smell amazing, I'm not going to tell you about something unless it's actually good. I have a link down below and a coupon code that will save you 10%, okay? Alright you guys, so again, Dossier creates perfumes inspired by high-end brands. The prices are really affordable, and the perfume that the Dossier brand perfume was inspired by will be on the little card that you get in your box, and it's also on the website. All the information you need is there. They have a great return policy. You get to try the perfume in their sample. They include a sample with every order, so try the sample first. If you don't like the perfume, you can return it to Dossier within 30 days for absolutely nothing, okay? So that's why they have a sample, so you could try it before you open the big bottle. So what they do is create these beautiful perfumes inspired by high-end brands, but for a cheaper price that pretty much anybody can afford, okay? And they're usually sold out for good reason, because their stuff is actually good, okay? So when I got this, I did take out the sample and put it in my purse so I could try it. And since nowadays I smell like vomit, in order for me to smell good, I gotta put on some perfumes. So it comes packaged in a box like this. It's in there, and you also get a little sample you could try out. If you don't like it, you can always send it back, okay? But you will like it. You will. Okay, because Picasso's stolen 2 of mine already that I've gotten previously. So you will love this. I have the Oriental Woody. Alright you guys, so I have 2 perfumes to try out for you guys today. I have the Oriental Woody 1. Okay. It comes with a info card. Okay. The notes are bergamot and orange. Middle notes are jasmine and rose. Base notes are vanilla, white musk, and some other words that I cannot pronounce right now. It is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle, okay? And you get, per bottle, you get... I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the new normal, okay? You okay, mamas? Oh. Alright you guys, so my new co-worker is here with me, my new boss, my new whatever she wants to call herself. I'm trying out the Oriental Woody 1, which is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. Okay, it smells almost like I want another baby, but I don't, not right now. No. Alright, it smells really nice. Okay, it smells so good, you guys. Like so good. It's sexy. It smells just sensual, and it's not too alcoholic. The smell, it just smells like a pure scent, if that makes any sense to you. Okay, and the second one that I get to try out today is the Oriental Floral. Okay, and this one is inspired by Lancome's La Vie Est Belle. La Vie Est Belle. I hope I said that right. Okay, to spray this one on a card or something. This one has more of a fruity, flowery smell to it. Better for the summertime for me. Like, I like the oriental woody for like colder months, fall, winter, or a nice sexy hot date. And then the fruity one, the oriental floral one, would be perfect for summer, you know, fun times, things like that. So if you guys are interested in Dossier perfumes, please check the link down below. I do have a 10% off coupon code in the description box. I'll put it right here for you as well. I'm trying to breastfeed as I do this video for you. This is just what it is, and this is how it's going to be for a while until, you know, my little mama understands that mama gotta work, you know. I've taken off so much time, you know, to spend time with her, and I am still spending time with her. I'm not coming back full throttle videos, and no. And I've noticed, you know, over the last couple of years that I've slowed down with posting videos. It's like my passion has been going in and out as far as posting beauty related videos. And I've pretty much focused on my Life with Queenie page, which is my DIY page. And I like it over there, you know, because that's more everyday, that's more real life to me. You know, makeup is beautiful and all, it's gorgeous, it could be creative and all of that, but I don't wear makeup every day. You know, I do wear perfume every day. So thanks Dossier for that. It's saving me some bucks. But yeah, you know, it's just, I'm trying to get back to that place. I really am, and I'm always making plans in my head to do things for you guys, to come up with videos and all this, and then when I get to this point, I'm just like, I don't want to. You know, I don't know if it's me getting older. I don't know if it's because I've been on here so long. I don't know what it is, but I do want to film for you guys, but it won't be like, you know, a whole bunch of content. I'll try my best to get as much out as I can, but I'm not gonna promise that it's gonna be like a whole bunch of stuff, you know. Yeah, and you know, and with everything going on in the world, and you know, the kids being home and Zoom school, and me having to make sure they're doing their work and checking on their grades, and laundry and baby clothes, it's a lot. It is a lot, and it could be overwhelming at times, and it's also very rewarding. But you know, I just want to let you guys know what I got going on. That's a good bird, baby. It's a really good bird. You know, if you guys want to see like a finger or the back of the baby's head or something like that, you can go on Instagram. I don't plan on showing her face to the world because, as we all can see, the world can be cruel at times. You know, I'm not saying there's something wrong with my child or whatever, but you know, not everything is to be shared with the world. You know, especially with some of these very angry people that like to roam the internet, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to come let you guys know that there will be content coming your way. I'm not gonna say when it's coming. It's just coming. I'm just trying to, you know, get my obligations that I had prior to giving birth out. You know, Dossier, I appreciate you guys working with me and sponsoring these perfumes and giving me the coupon code for my followers. If it wasn't good, I wouldn't be sharing it with you guys. So I really do love their perfumes, and Picasso has stolen them from me. Okay? Are you hungry and grumpy? Hungry, grumpy, and tired. Right? But, you know, it's you know, being a new mom again for the 4th time, breastfeeding, like all of that, it's a lot of work. Okay, sleep deprived, work, you know. I'm pretty much on her schedule right now. We're trying to get her to, you know, sleep through the night, but she's still very young, so you know, I'm not forcing anything, you know, whatever makes her comfortable. So that's the most important thing. But yeah, it's a lot that I got going on. I do want to make a video relating to breastfeeding. I don't know if YouTube is going to demonetize this video just because I said the word breastfeeding, which is kind of messed up. But you guys know these days YouTube, like, there's a lot of favoritism going on, you know, that I've noticed. And it's like the bigger your channel is, the more you kind of get away with. Is that the word? But yeah, you know, I want to make a video about nursing. That's what I'm going to call it, nursing. And hopefully it doesn't get demonetized. And I want to make a video showing you guys like baby gadgets and things that I'm using to help me, that's making, you know, having a new baby a bit easy. You know, I'm not saying to be, you know what I'm saying, just making bath time easy, breastfeeding easy, you know, getting milk out easy, things like that. So yeah, I want to make a video about things, gadgets and things that I got this time with this baby that I'm really enjoying, that I actually recommend for you guys to try if you are pregnant, or if you know someone's pregnant and you want to get them a gift, you know, something that will be helpful to them. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, I have a new baby. I'm now a mother of 4. I can't believe that I'm a mom of 4, but hey, you know, 2020 got so much surprises, you know, some not so good and some are freaking amazing, like one I'm holding right now. So, you know, I appreciate being able to carry life again and to have another baby. And you know, I get to have fun for Halloween and Christmas and all that, because my other kids are older now and they know Santa Claus is not real and all that. They know that. So, you know, I get to start over and have all those good memories with Christmas and Halloween and, you know, little kitty stuff that they like to do. So that's probably like the things that I'm looking forward to doing with this baby. So yeah, if you guys have any requests as far as videos, please leave them down below. Again, the information to Dossier is down below. They are a great company. Their perfumes smell amazing. Some of you guys actually got their perfumes from my last video, so hey, let other people know how you feel about them. If you don't like them, if you do like them, I love them. Okay, I prefer the Dossier versions of these top brands rather than the brands that I actually have. They last long and they smell better in my opinion. So there's that. And they're also affordable. So $39 for such a huge bottle plus 10% off. That's pretty much a good deal. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. I'm sorry the video couldn't be longer, but I will try my best to get some content out to you. I'm not going to tell you when, but I will try to get it out to you as soon as I can. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me for the last 8 years, and hopefully I could stick around for another 8 years. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye guys. Oh, okay, all right. I know, baby, it's not your fault. Why did you? Okay, all right.